Let's have a quick chat about mortgage note investor websites. So we're going to use the company PPR, or Partners for Payment Relief, a mortgage note fund in Pennsylvania here, as a case study to show you a great way to do it. So first, we've got our borrower facing website. This is a super simple page that essentially is just contact information and a web form. This gives borrowers a way to easily communicate with the lender, PPR in this case, if they're looking for a modification agreement or negotiating a discounted settlement. Essentially, this is the URL that would be on the mailers and other outbound communication that the borrower receives. So then they can go to this website and easily communicate with the lender, the investor, PPR in this case, so that they can start to get these non-performing loans resolved. On the other side, we have the investor-facing website. And this is where they've got the social proof, they've got the team, leadership team, investing strategy, their investor portal is here, all the information to get comfortable with this company if you're thinking about investing in their mortgage note fund. So we've got two separate channels here for two separate audiences, one for investors and one for borrowers. Now, I will say there is a third potential audience here, and that is note sellers. And you can definitely include some of those pages on your investor-facing page, but you want to make sure you communicate differently to those three different audiences. Your borrowers just really need contact information to get in touch with you. Your investors want to see things that make them comfortable with putting money to work with you and your fund. And then sellers need to be comfortable with you as a great buyer. So your call to action today is get your mortgage note investing web presence in order. Maybe you're not raising a mortgage note fund, but you still want to have that institutional facing side to make sure that note sellers see you as a great buyer to work with. And if you're investing in non-performing loans especially, you want to have a simple page so that these borrowers can get in contact with you to make your non-performing loan resolution process much, much easier. All right, next week we're taking off for the holidays, but I will see you in 2024 for another great year of mortgage note content. Subscribe, leave a comment below, and let's stay in touch to have a great year and awesome success going forward. See you, everybody. Happy holidays.